Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, we'll be diving into the best 240W USB-C PD cable that's revolutionizing fast charging. If you're looking for a reliable high-performance cable for your devices, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Product features. PD 3.1 leading technology. The Ugreen 240W USB-C PD cable is equipped with Power Delivery 3.1 technology, offering the latest and most efficient charging capabilities. It delivers lightning-fast charging speeds, making it a top choice for high-demand devices like laptops, gaming consoles, and smartphones. Intelligent e-marker chip. This cable features an intelligent e-marker chip, which not only ensures ultra-fast charging, but also prioritizes safety. It automatically adjusts power delivery to match your device's requirements, protecting it from overheating or overcharging. 240 Ward fast charging. The cable supports a wide range of charging protocols, including PEED 3.1, PEED 3.0, Core.0, Q3.0, PPWE 2.0, PPC, and EFCP. This versatility means it's compatible with a variety of devices, from the iPhone 15 Pro to gaming consoles like the C5. 480 MPs data transfer. Beyond charging, the Ugreen 240W USB-C PD cable doubles as a reliable data transfer solution. With a 480 MPs transfer speed, it can move a 1 GB file in just 40 seconds. Whether syncing files or transferring data, this cable gets the job done efficiently. Extra long cable for convenience. The Ugreen cable is designed to meet all your charging needs with its extra long length. This added flexibility makes it ideal for use in any scenario, whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling. Pros. Super fast charging. With its 240W capability and PD 3.1 support, this cable can charge high-demand devices like laptops, tablets, and gaming consoles in record time. Versatile compatibility. Its support for multiple charging protocols ensures seamless performance with a wide range of devices. Durability. Built with high-quality materials, this cable is designed to withstand wear and tear, ensuring long-term reliability. Efficient data transfer. The 480 MPs transfer speed is perfect for users who need a quick and efficient way to sync files. User-friendly length. The extra long cable provides added convenience, allowing you to charge devices comfortably even when outlets are far away. Enhanced safety. The intelligent e-marker chip offers peace of mind by ensuring safe charging and protecting your devices from potential damage. Cons. USB 2.0 standard for data transfer. While the 480 MPs speed is decent, it's not as fast as the USB 3.0 standard. Users transferring large volumes of data might find this limiting. Limited color options. Currently, the cable is available in limited color variants, which may not appeal to users seeking aesthetic variety. Final thoughts. The Ugreen 240W USB-C PD cable is a powerhouse for fast charging and data transfer. Whether you're a professional needing quick laptop charges or a gamer looking for seamless PS5 connectivity, this cable is an excellent choice. Its compatibility with multiple protocols, durable design, and user-friendly length make it a must-have accessory. While it comes with a premium price tag and USB 2.0 data transfer limitations, the overall performance and reliability far outweigh these minor drawbacks. If you're ready to upgrade your charging game, check out the price link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Best Product for more reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.